It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
I shouldn't be standing with a heart that's so heavy. I shouldn't be up with all the weight that I carry. Don't know if it's right, but I'm sticking with you. You're my only vice, I'm dependent on you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Dreaming about the good days when you put me first, baby. When you used to call me just to say that you miss me. Don't know how we got here, but I blame you. And I blame myself just for sticking with you. Love's for the wicked, I know this shit too well. I talk, you don't listen, still I'm under your spell. I think I'm addicted to feeling bad as hell. I can just let you go. You're the one I wait for, even though I hate. Every time you leave me to my fate. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul. Better for my soul, yeah, better for my soul. Find somebody better, better for my soul. You're the one I'll stay for, though I wanna go. Find somebody better, better for my soul.
Fine down with the Merlot. You know I'm on the line with the sun low. You already know the vibes when I pull up on you. Been looking at the sign like a horoscope. You say you wanna leave, but I know you don't. Talking about you wanna freeze, what we got going on. But I'm seeing through the screen what's really going on. I know how you feel, I just need you to wait on me. I wanna do less of this latency. I wanna do less of that wait and see. When I get back to the city, I hate to leave.
Hey guys, so the unit that I'm reviewing today is from Bobbi Boss, and it is part of their Boss Lids First Class collection, and I have it in the style MLF741 JIANNA, and I have it in the color TSHL1B/350. That's a mouthful. And it is made with HD transparent lace. There's part of their Medi Fresh line, and it comes with a 4-inch part, and it has a super laid top, and this is all the colors in the bag. I got this from Wig Types for $25. It will run you a little bit up, depends on the price, or it depends on the color. But when it says super lay flat, yes, it's definitely super lay flat. I did not do anything extra to this wig. I put my tinted spray and a little bit of foundation, and I cut the lace, and that was it. Well, I did, it came with baby hair, and I did pluck here a little bit, just a tiny bit, but that was just me being extra. This unit right here, I'm telling you, it is super beginner friendly, and I love the style, the cut, the color, everything is just awesome. I'm not getting any tangling or anything. Shedding a little bit, just a little bit. I think it's because of due to me like plugging it and cutting the lace. So like, she is nice for the summer. Summer is coming. The color, look at the highlight. I am here for the color. She is just perfect. I have nothing much to say. She is like, she's super beginner friendly. What can I say? Just put her on and go, and that's it. That is it. I didn't even use heat. even though I think it is heat safe. Yeah, it is heat safe, but I didn't use any heat, not even to lay the top down, because it laid perfectly, like super. I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. Yeah, so let me know what you think about her. Let's talk about it in the comment section, and make sure you're following me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Love Your Crowns. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel and have your post notification bell on so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.